Hi, my name is Stig Holmberg, and together with a colleague, Professor Anita Håkansson, I am responsible for Moment 2 and Moment 3 in the course Design Theory and Design Research in the Informatics Master Program. First, I want to say a few words about studies on the master level. That is called also advanced studies. That may be a bit different from the studies you have done earlier, and that is explained in a paper you can download from the learning platform at the Blekinge Technical University. So do that and have a look at it so you can understand what is different and what is similar to what you have done earlier. Next thing is that in ordinary advanced studies, seminars, it means discussion on site between students, is very important. Of course, in a distance course we can't have seminars in that traditional meaning, but on the learning platform we have a discussion area, and it is very important that you take active part in those discussions. That is one of your most important learning sources. So take part in the discussions. Also try to establish cooperation between you, between different fellow students. Nowadays on internet you find a lot of different so-called social media, and that is one way to cooperate. There are also many others. There are also different aids on the learning platform. Also on my Facebook page you can find a special group called Design 2010. You can use that group in order to establish cooperation and contact between yourself. Next thing is the library. The library, the Blekinge Technical University Library, or whatever university library you may have access to, is the source for your studies. So by learning to use the library resources, you can have all the input to your studies. It is not enough to find the information, but that is the starting point. So learn the library system. You can find scientific papers from whatever scientific journal several years back and so on, and whatever you may want. So it is crucial for this course that you learn to use the library. Also your assignments. The assignments you will receive here, there is no predefined right answer. It is so-called open questions. You can treat them more or better or not so good, but there is no right answer. So you have to write the papers, your answers in the form of a scientific paper. That is explained already in Moment 1 of this course. And so, also, Moment 2 and Moment 3 has been rearranged this year. So it will take some time before everything is in the right place, but I think the rearrangement as a gender case is good for the course. It is based on experiences from earlier courses. So now in Moment 2 you will find a set of general or generic design concepts that will be useful for you, whatever you want to do within the realm of system design and information system development. Armed with those concepts, in Moment 3 we will learn a methodology for assessing or evaluating different design methodologies. And so we will do that, and with being able to assess methods, you will after that being able to choose the best method for each situation you will face in the future. So nowadays I think no one thinks that is the best method for every situation, but with a good evaluation methodology you will be able to choose your method for whatever situation you will face. So that will be all for today, but we will see each other and be in contact later on in the course. Thank you for today.